Hi friends. Today we will show you how to customize your desktop with a free program called Rainmeter. Rainmeter is a powerful tool that allows you to display customizable skins on your desktop, from hardware usage meters to fully functional audio visualizers, and make it very unique. First, you download the latest version of Rainmeter from their official website. You should get a setup file which shouldn't need any detailed instructions to proceed with. Once you have it installed, you can start by unloading the default skins, which will appear as installation finishes.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up. Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how.